When is the Xiaomi Mi 7 release date? Company spokesperson and product management director Donovan Sung has announced on Twitter that the Mi Mix 2X will launch on March 27. It's an exciting phone, but not enough of an upgrade to warrant an entire press conference. Given the timing, we reckon it's very likely we'll see it announced with the Mi 7. The Xiaomi Mi 6 was announced in China on April 19, 2017, and then began shipping in June. Xiaomi follows an annual release schedule like all major smartphone makers, so we expect to see the Mi 7 announced at a similar time in 2018.